Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we have the Ring Indoor Cam, the latest release in 2023, offering advanced features for home security and peace of mind. Let's start by unboxing the Ring Indoor Cam and taking a closer look at what's included in the package. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a privacy cover, a 10W USB-A power adapter, a USB-A to micro USB charge cable, install hardware, a setup guide, a warranty, and a security sticker. The Ring Indoor Cam offers impressive features, including 1080p HD video with color night vision, ensuring clear footage day or night. It also features advanced pre-roll, which captures a few extra seconds before motion events, providing a complete picture of what happened. The manual audio and video privacy cover allows you to control when the camera is active, ensuring your privacy. Customizable motion zones and motion alerts help you receive real-time notifications for important events. Two-way audio with noise cancellation lets you communicate with loved ones or pets. The camera is compatible with Alexa, allowing for hands-free home monitoring. Setting up the Ring Indoor Cam is a breeze, with an estimated installation time of 5 to 10 minutes. You'll need a standard power outlet, and the camera comes with a 6.5 feet micro USB power adapter. The flexible swivel mount allows for versatile mounting options, whether on a table or high on a wall or ceiling. Ring takes your privacy seriously, offering features like the privacy cover, which can be swiveled to activate or deactivate the camera. Privacy zones allow you to black out off-limits areas from camera view. End-to-end encryption and customizable privacy settings enhance security. The Ring Indoor Cam seamlessly integrates with the Ring ecosystem, creating a comprehensive smart home security system. You can connect it to other Ring devices and control them all from a single dashboard. Consider subscribing to Ring Protect for additional benefits, such as storing captured footage in the cloud for up to 180 days. Person alerts minimize unnecessary notifications, and rich notifications provide photo previews and alerts. Home and away modes offer flexibility in camera recording. We delve into the technical specifications of the Ring Indoor Cam, including dimensions, available colors, video quality, motion detection, field of view, and more. We highlight some real customer reviews to provide insights into users' experiences with the product. The Ring Indoor Cam offers a range of features that make it a compelling choice for home security. With its easy installation, customizable settings, and integration with the Ring ecosystem, it provides a robust solution for monitoring your home. Whether you need to keep an eye on your family, pets, or your property, this camera has you covered. That wraps up our review of the Ring Indoor Cam on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for tuning in.